Hello friends, welcome to my channel Mindful Convo. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel. So, in the previous videos we had discussed about the locators in the Selenium and various other topics regarding to the Selenium. Now we will be going to discuss about the most hot topic in the Selenium, that is alert handling. So, as in the PPT, I have shown that there are three types of alert, like simple alert, prompt alert, and confirmation alert. So, let's start. First of all, what do we mean by the alert? Alert is a small box that displays the message to the user either for the permission or to perform any action or to write any text. So, uh, our first alert is the prompt alert. It prompts the user window and asks for some input from the user. It contains the text box in which the user can enter the data. Just like this, it has been asked that your name please. So in the gray box, I have written the mindful convo and I have also the option of the OK and the cancel. Now the next is confirm alert or confirmation alert. It prompts to the user screen for some permission to do some operation, like do you want to raise some voice? Either we need to click on OK or we need to click on cancel. Now the next alert is simple alert. It does not contain any text box and displays the information or warnings to the user, like the success or failure and any kind of message, or we can click on OK. Now the alert class contain the various methods. The first method is the void dismiss method. What does this method do? As the name suggests, the dismiss means cancel. So if we want to cancel the pop-up, then we will use the dismiss method, and its syntax is driver dot switch to dot alert dot dismiss. Okay, now our next method is accept, void accept. Now, as the name suggests that it is used to accept the alert. It means if we want to click on the OK button or to accept any alert, then we will use the accept method. Its syntax is driver dot switch to dot alert dot accept. Okay, now the next method is send keys. Okay, so if we want to send any data in the alert, then we will use send keys method. So the driver dot switch to dot alert dot send keys, and here we need to send the keys like mindful convo. Okay, now the next method is the get text. So this method is used to get the text from the alert. Its syntax is driver dot switch to dot alert dot get text. Okay, so let's take the example of this. Let's say we have this simple alert and I want to get this success text. So what do we need to write is driver.switch2.alert.getText and the XPath of this pop-up, this field. Okay, now we will click. If we want to click the OK, then what do we need to do is we need to have the method that is driver.switch2.alert.accept. Now if we want to write the text here, then what do we need to do is driver.switch2.alert.send keys and in the quotes mindful convo. And if we want to cancel the alert, then what do we need to do is driver.switch2.alert.dismiss. So guys, that's it for today, and as I always say, do practice as practice makes the man perfect. So goodbye and stay tuned for the other videos.